three lots of training, so kettlebells on a Tuesday, a group personal training session on a Wednesday, and then we had Fit Fun Boot Camp on a Saturday.
I initially joined because I was feeling unhappy about my weight and just generally about how I was looking. Everyone's so approachable, and it's not really about how big you are, it's about finding your own personal niche.
My initial goal was actually to lose weight. I've lost roughly about 30 pounds.
During the 6 weeks, I lost 14 pounds. And for me, that's amazing because it can take me a year and, you know, I wouldn't have lost weight while going to the gym, but I'm quite happy that I've lost that amount of weight.
It's been so much fun. I feel I've not only lost weight, but I actually really enjoyed the sessions, which really wasn't something that I was expecting.
It's always good to have someone to actually tell you and kind of open up your eyes to what you should really be doing. I was a bit of a party girl, so I was one of those people that used to go out all the time, don't do any exercise, and 6 weeks down the line I've lost just over 14 pounds.
The team always say to me, it's about a journey, and it really is. It's about understanding where you are today and bettering that and being the best you can for yourself, for the here and now.
I think what I learned in the 6 weeks is always in the back of my mind.
It would be a really good opportunity to be able to actually just focus on both the nutrition side as well as the exercise.
I would recommend it because, first of all, you'll get the results. You do get down and you do kind of want to go off track, but when you've got them behind you, you do want to stay focused and complete it.